Alright, today we're going to be doing some more coffee filter crafts. We're going to start by folding our coffee filter in half, and then in half again, and then in half one more time. And you want to try to make these as even a fold as possible, because today we're going to be turning these into coffee filter flowers, or if it's winter time when you're watching this, you can make coffee filter snowflakes, or perhaps it's still winter where you are right now, then you can make coffee filter snowflakes. So from here, we're just going to cut out our design. I'm going to cut just straight across at the tip. And then, so this whole edge that's just completely folded here, we can cut some design into, but we don't want to completely cut it all off, because otherwise it won't stay together. So we're just going to do that. And that, just a little design there. And then I'm going to flip it and come over to this corner, and I'm going to just cut a wavy line until I get to the edge. Kind of rounds out the corner. And then I'm going to come down over here to the other side, and I can get a little bit more carried away over here, but not too much. You don't need a whole lot. Alright, and then while it's still folded, you're going to take your watercolors, just your basics here, and a very saturated with water paintbrush, and you're just going to go to town. And you really want to resaturate your paintbrush each time with color. Once you've got your color saturated through on both sides, you're going to unfold it for it to dry. You want to be very careful, because this is a point where everything could potentially tear, but it's better for it to dry unfolded than folded. Alright, so I did a couple, and you can see how it looks very floral. Especially with these cuts and centered here. You can always fold them up around pipe cleaners, or glue them to like wax paper or something and set them up in the window looking like stained glass or sun catchers. I did some with some different cuts over here. This one also looks pretty floral and has very warm colors. And that's really it. You can make a bunch of these, hang them up in windows, or give them to your mom for Mother's Day, since that's coming up soon. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you enjoy making these at home. Thank you.